Great. This lesson you're gonna learn multi-digit addition. So we have two numbers in a horizontal way. The idea is to write them in a vertical way. It doesn't matter which number you write first. The thing is that this first number, it's our number on the top, and below it we're going to write the other one, but taking care that the place value is matching. For example, this 5 is it's ones, and we have to match it with these 4 that belong in the ones place too. The 8 in the tenths place, 9 in the hundreds, and so on. Now we are ready to add. You don't have to be worried about how can I add all those numbers. You add them step by step, column by column. So we are going to start with the ones. Always we start with the ones. So 5 plus 4, 9. That gives us 9. Let's move into the next one. 5 plus 8. That's equals 13. But 13 it's a 2-digit number, and we just have room for 1 digit. What should we do? So we're going to do something called regrouping. That means that we are going to leave or keep this number 3 in our room and carry or regrouping the 1 from the 13 to the next column or to the next group. We carry the 1 and we continue adding. So we have to add these 3 numbers now. 1 plus 0 plus 9, it's 10. 10 again, it's a 2-digit number, and we just have spots for 1 digit. So we keep the 0 in our spot and we carry the 1 to the neighbor. We add them. 1 plus 8 plus 7, that's 16. And same thing, we leave the 6 in our room and then just regrouping the 1 to the next column. 1 plus 4, that equals 5. And 3 plus, oh, there is nothing here. So that's much easier. Just straight down the number 3. And let's put the comma. And our total is 356,039. But what if we have a different problem? For example, we have 3 numbers and all of them are multi-digit numbers. So the process is exactly the same. We just are going to write one of them at the beginning, and this number will be it's now or top number, the number on the top. And then the other 2 numbers we are going to match up the places, the value places. So the ones in the place of the ones, the tens in the place of the tens, the hundreds, the thousands, and so on. Same with the other number. It doesn't really matter the order. I mean, it doesn't matter who go first. What really matters is that the columns are matching up. For example, the ones columns it's aligned, and the others columns are aligned automatically when you keep neat from the beginning. So let's start adding. So 7 plus 8 plus 7, that it's equal 22. Same thing, we're going to regroup in to keep this number 2 from the 22 in our room, and the other 2 we're going to regroup in. We're going to carry in that number 2. And let's add up all these numbers that belong to this column. So 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2, that equals 9. So 9 is just one digit number, nothing to carry. So let's continue with the next column. 2 plus 2 plus 9, that's 13. But we keep same process. We keep number 3 in our room and carry the 1 to the next group. So 1 plus 2, that gives us 3. And there is nothing over this 1 and or below the 1. So we are just going to straight down the number 1. And let's put the comma, and as a result we get 13,392. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.